our Shopkin basket. What are we going to be shopping for, basket?
We're going to be shopping for Shopkin
blind bags. Okay, how much do these cost?
$1 each.
Oh, that's not bad. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get them in our cart. Roll on over to this. Ooh, there's a lot of little baskets with Shopkins. There's season 1, season 2, season 3, and season 4s. Let's put you in there. Ooh, looks like we have some more buying bags hidden in here. Ooh, is there any right here? Ooh, there is. Looks like a little puppy's hiding in here. Looks like it has a little straw. We're gonna have to lay. Is there anyone more? Is there any more? Ooh, 2 Shopkin baskets. Who does that look like? I hope we get Sasha Belt. I really like Sasha Belt. Okay, let's go get this basket and buy them. We just bought all of our Shopkins, and now we're going to open all of them. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to get started. We're going to open our first blind bag. I'm going to get 2 blind bags. Okay, first blind bag, who's going to come out? Oh. Our little soap, which I have no clue what season it's from. I think it's from season 2. Woohoo! Let's put that guy near the bakery. We're done with one little squishy, squashy bag. We're going to put that aside. Yee! Who's going to be in here? Minty. Minty! We're going to put you right there. Another squishy bag. Let's take our next 2. Next 2, and out we come. Sweeps, I think. Sweeps. Okay, let's put Sweeps into the refrigerator where he does not belong. Now, another squishy Shopkin basket. Oh, come out. Milk Bud. Woo. Milk Bud, you belong in here with your dear little friend. Squishy Shopkin basket. Okay, we have one last one that is not in the basket. Okay, let's go. Who is it gonna be? Sasha Belt! Yeah! Sasha Belt! Sasha Belt, you're gonna take a fridge. Okay, we have our Shopkin basket. We have 6 Shopkin blind bags. Amazing. Okay, first on up is this little one. Okay, I pulled both of the bags out. Who's it gonna be? Peanut butter! Peanut butter. We're gonna go ahead and put him up there. You can see him. Right there. Okay, squashy. Oh, yeah. is this? I don't know who he is, but he's cute. Oh, no. No. I'm going to put you right on there. Okay, here's our next basket. Okay. AG Fitz, who's it going to be? He just came flying on out. The cake! Oh, yeah? I belong in the bakery aisle. I actually do. Yes, you do. We're going to put you in the fridge to let your icing cool down from being in that hot basket. We have cinnamon roll. We're going to put you, let's squeeze. Woohoo, it worked. Next, two. I'm going to start opening 2 at a time. Here's our 4 baskets. First one. Oh! Gingerbread! We're going to put you right there. This way. Ow! Nutty spaghetti! Oh, yeah! Who doesn't like nutty spaghetti? What is this? Well, he's cute at least. We're going to put him right there. Ooh, who is it going to be? Cookie Nut! Cookie Nut. Cookie Nut. Okay. Wait a minute. Why is this Shopkin alone? Let's get one of our squishy baskets. I'm going to blind pick one out of my Shopkin holder. Okay. Oh, I'm going up for the top one. I think this is the top row. Ooh, what is it going to be? I'm putting it in. Here you go. I don't even know if this is in the camera. By the way, guys, I do have a limited edition. So if I got the limited edition, that's amazing. Okay. See something pink in there. See something pink. Oh, forgot to dump you guys out. Oh no! Spilled milk. Prezi, what are you in the nation doing? What are you two doing? Are you two spying? Are you two spying? Come on, admit it. You were spying. Oh, fine. Yes, we were. Well, Prezi, you're going to go right there. Spill milk. You're going to be right down there. Okay, we're going to open up this one. Okay. Is this one empty? Oh no, I see something in there. It's not empty. Who is it? Cauliflower, I think. Okay, last one. Oh my gosh. I got the limited edition one. Oh yes. Oh yes. So, hope you like our Shopkin Bakery. Come back for more videos. Bye.